Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are happy and healthy. Children, this is your maths video class and we are studying time. This is your chapter number 11 in your perfect composite mathematics. Okay, and we were on page number 160. We were doing exercise number 11.2, fourth question. And one question was left yesterday that I have given you for homework. So children, I hope you have completed. So children, today we are going to start our fifth number question, that is match the clock with the correct time. Okay, so here children, we are going to start our question, that is question number 5 children. Okay, so this is question number 5 of exercise number 11.2. Okay, and match the clock with the correct time. Match the clock with the correct time. Now children, here you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clocks are given over here and time also. So first we will start drawing. The time is given over here 10:30. Now again 12:45. Now 4:15. Okay. Now 4:45, and the last one is children 7:15. Okay, now the time is given over here and the clock we will draw over here. Okay. So children, let's start drawing our clock first, because this is important. We have to learn to draw the clock first. So children, let's start. We will do little fast. Okay. So first clock, we just make it small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have to draw 5 clocks. Okay. Now one more here. So children, let's start doing. This is the first clock is showing us, okay, at 3 and at 4. So this is 12. Just draw fast. Okay, this is 9 and this is 3. This is 1, 2. And here 11, 10, 8, 7, this is 6, 5 and 4. So this is 4:40, 4:15. So just match it with 4:15 because this is 4:15. It means this is 4:15. Okay, now our next clock is 12, 9, 3, 6. Draw the numbers first. This is 11, this is 10, this is 8, this is 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2. Okay. Now here children, it is at 10. Okay. And the next is here. That is at 6. So obviously this is 10:30. So we are going to see where is 10:30 is written. Yes, this is written over here. This is 10:30. Okay. Now the next clock is showing us देखिए कितनी जल्दी बनती है ना? तो प्रैक्टिस करिए, आपसे भी बन जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, try to do this. Okay. Now this clock is showing quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. It means this is 12:45. Quarter to 1. It is showing quarter to 1. So this is 12:45, children. Just match it. Okay. Now the next one is showing take a center point. This is 12, this is 6, this is 9 and this is 3, children. Okay, now this is 11, 10, 8 and 7, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Children, let's start drawing. What is the time over here? Now children, here you can see the hour hand is in between 7 and 8, okay, and our minute hand is at 3. It means it's quarter past 7. It's quarter past 7, it means it is 7:15. Okay, it is quarter past 7, so this is 7:15. Okay, now the one clock is left over here. Now we are going to draw, children. Okay, so children, let's draw. थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर कर लेंगे ताकि it is visible for you. That is why I'm just, this is 12. So this is 6, this is 9, this is 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, this is 10 and this is 11. Now children, this clock is showing it is quarter to. Now your hour hand is in between 4 and 5 and your minute hand is at 9. So this is showing this is 4:45. It means it is the 5 is about to come. Okay, it means 15 minutes are left to become 5 and this is 4:45, children. So here we are going to show over here this is 4:45. So we have completed this exercise. You just complete it. Okay, now all clock I have shown and everything is drawn over here. So you just complete it. Okay, now first clock is showing 4:14, that is quarter past 4. Now this is showing 10:30, it means half past 10. Now this is quarter to 1. Quarter to 1, this is 12:45. And now it is showing over here 7:15, it means quarter past 7. And now it is quarter to 5. Okay, quarter to 5. It means 15 minutes are left to become 5. So this is 4:45. Children, you just completed this exercise. Now after that we will do the next exercise, that is reading time in hours and 5 minutes corrections. So now, as you all know children, the clock is divided into 60 minutes and the duration between two numbers you can get 5 minutes. Okay, so if your minute hand will move 6 to this 7, so it means that is 35. So children, that we are going to learn today. Okay, so our next topic is reading time in hours and 5 minutes corrections. Okay, correctness, and after that we will do our exercise, that is 11.3, that is based on that. So children, first you complete this 5th number question, and after that we will start reading time in hours and 5 minutes correctness. Okay, so let's complete. Take a screenshot, and after that we are going to do our next topic. next topic is reading time. Reading time. Okay. Now our next topic is reading time. Reading time in hours. In hours and 5-minute correction and 5-minute correctness. Correctness. Okay, it means we are going to show the 5 minutes later or 5 minutes before. Okay, so here children, I'm going to draw one clock over here. By this we can learn easily. So here children, you can see this is 12 and this is 6, this is 9 and this is 3. Now children, here you can see. So if we will draw this So this is your clock, and now children, we are going to show, if we want to show 2:25, so how we can show 2:35, suppose. So quarter past we have learned, half past we have learned, quarter to we have learned. Now we have to show 10:35, suppose. So how can we show? So children, that we are going to learn today. So first, if our hand is in between 2 and 3, okay, and our minute hand is at near about 7, so it will become 2:35. Okay, how can we recognize this? Because 2 is already done, half past 2 is done. Now the 5 minutes are over. So that is why we can consider it 2:35. It means 5 minutes हो गए हैं. 30 मतलब half past के बाद 5 minutes is over. So that is 30 minutes. As you all know, 30 minutes is called half past. And after that, the 5 minutes we will add. So it will become, what is become? It is become 2:35. Okay. So like this we can able to draw or read the time properly. Because अगर यही आपकी जो आपका मिनट हैंड है, अगर ये 8 पे चला जाता है, तो अगर 8 पे चला जाएगा तो it means this is 2:40. 5 minutes we will add over here, because as you all know children, सारे numbers के बीच में आपको 5 minutes का gap मिलेगा. ठीक है, 5 minutes are there. So always remember, when we are going to draw over here, this is half past, and after that we will count 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay. So here children, after this half past, everything will be counted as 35, and if your minute hand is at 5 and the 5 minutes are left to become half past, so that is why we will write over here 2:25, because 5 minutes are left to become 2:30 or half past. Okay children, so this is the way we can read the time properly. If the needle, the hand will be there, so we will count as 7:35. If your hand will be here, the minute hand will be here, we will count as 2:25. So this is the way we can solve, we can read. Okay, so children, now I'll show you by a clock. I'm going to show this clock. Suppose here you can see this is 6 o'clock, because this, the big hand, or you can say this is our hand, a minute hand is at 12, and here you can see this is hour hand, it is at 6. So this is 6 o'clock. Suppose if your minute hand is moving over here, so what is you can call this? This is 5 minutes left to become 6, okay? Or it means this is 5:55, okay? Because 5 minutes are left to become 6. So that is why this is called 5:55. Suppose if your clock and your this bigger hand is at 1 and your shorter hand is at 6. So what is there? What is this? So this is 6:05. We can read, it means 6 o'clock is over, now 5 minutes more. It means this is 6:05. Now here children, if your minute hand is at 2 and your hour hand is at 6, so what we will call this? This is children 6:10, okay? This is children 6:10. So always remember, when your this is the smallest smaller hands is at 6 and your bigger hand at 2, so it means this is 6:10. So children, that is how we can do these things. Or if it is at 3, so it means this is 6:15. Suppose if it is at 4, so this is 6:20. Yes. Now if it is here, so this is 6:25. And if it is here, so this is what we will say, this is 6:30. So that is how we can learn reading of time or correctness of 5 minutes. Okay. So this is our topic. Now again we will revise this. So suppose if your hour hand is at 5 and your minute hand is at you can say at 11, so it will become that we will consider as 4:55 because 5 minutes are left to become 5. Now if it is 12, so here it is 5 o'clock sharp. Now if it will move to this one, so it will become 5:05, okay? Now if it will move to the 2, so it will become 5:10. Now here this is 5:15, or we can say this is 5:15, and after that if we will write over here, this will become 5:20, okay? 5:20, it means 5 बज चुके हैं and this is 20 minutes, okay? Now if it will come over here, so this is 5:20, okay? Now if अगर ये इधर आ जाता है, your shorter hand is at this 5 and your bigger hand is at 6, so it means this is 5:25. It means 5:25 minutes हो चुके हैं, ठीक है? और अगर ये यहाँ पे आ जाता है, आपका ये जो बिगर हैंड है इज एट 6 और द फाइनल so it has moved. So here we have discussed, if it is the bigger hand is at 5 and 5, the shorter hand is also at 5 and the bigger hand is also at 5, so it will become 5:25. Now it is moved to the 6, so this is 5:30. Now if it will move to the 7, so this is 5:35. Now here children, if it is moved to the 8, so it will become, what is it become? So this is 35 and this is 40, okay? Now if it will move to this 9. So it means this is 4:45 or 6:45. Now it is moving over here. This is 6:45. थोड़ा सा इधर से मूव हो जाएगा ये, ठीक है, ये 6 और इसके बीच में आ जाएगा. So here children, this is 5:45. Okay, or we can consider as 5:45. और अगर इधर ये चला जाता है इधर, so this is called 5:50. Okay, now if it is moved to the 11, this is 5:55. Okay, now if it is moved to the 12, so it will become 6 o'clock. So that is how we can read the time properly. Okay, so practice it. We will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself.